Hello, it's Jan16, and I done my first video back off holiday yesterday, which was the Metallica Where I May Roam on the PlayStation and Guitar Hero on the PS3, and I said I would do a video of my model railway, and here it is. So, trains I've had running, this is the first time I've had it running since I've been back. So there's the Class 20, which I love, probably my best diesel I got, and my favourite tank engine, J94 Wimbury. And he's put in the Fruit Special, which the old Fruit Special was these three GWR coaches here and a Great Western van. But this is the second part, which is basically the same idea but with the thing. It's my red LMS XGWI auto coach, the fruit van, and then my GWR auto coach. So that's the new Fruit Special, and as you can see there's the Pullman train with the lovely observation coach. So let's see Class 20 moving. Do that if I turn the power on. Pull in wagons. The track does need cleaning, I think. There he is. In platform 2, which is still nothing in that, apart from the toilet. There's the toilet block this side. I've done this little fence just before I went on holiday. I've got to put one there, but I'm going to wait until I do all of this area. There's the fence there. And security fences. The sheep are going to be put down probably next week. Today I'm going to do this here, finish this area and the bank here, and I might start a bit of bank here, but I will get more security fences for that first. So, hope you liked the video. This is my first model railway one, but there will be filming of my J94 pulling the Fruit Special as well. So thanks for watching, please comment and bye.